Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can unlock the new Style Showdown set in GTI. So if you want to unlock the latest Style Showdown set, the new outfit and accessory, as you guys can see, you can earn 3 of the new set Style Showdown by winning it 3 times. So what you need to do in here, first you can just join the Style Showdown. So go to the Style Showdown, and after that you can just join the game. So go to the stage up here and join the game. So the Style Showdown, in total there are 3 rounds that you can join. For the first 2 rounds, you'll be given 2.5 minutes to complete your look based on the theme. And in the first round, a player will be eliminated. And in the second round, if you voted bottom 2, then you need to do post challenge. And in the third rounds, all players get to decide the winner. So if you voted for the winner in the third round, then you'll get one of the new items. So in conclusion, you need to win in a total of 3 rounds to unlock all of the Style Showdown set. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorials. Bye!